This is my 13th Father's Day without you here, and I miss you so much. Not just on Father's Day, but whenever I have a new accomplishment or a new hobby that I just want to show you. When I picked up the ukulele, the first song I learned to play was Hotel California, your favorite tune. When I had the inspiration to start YouTube, I wanted to create a garden so spectacular that even you would be impressed. If you were still alive, you'd be mesmerized by social media and all the cool new gadgets that we have now. There's this thing called Instagram where people can post photos and get paid for it. You would think I'm crazy for having this job, but you would love and support it anyhow. You were never one to just go with the flow. You were also the first person to buy me a sketch pad, and you laughed when I said that I will thank you for it in front of an audience one day. Well, thank you, Dad. Also, you have a grandson now, and I wish you were here to meet him. He's kind of furry though. Actually, you might be allergic. Remember when I brought home Cookie the rabbit and she attracted a male rabbit to our house, and before we knew it, we had 24 rabbits? You were sneezing every single day, and it was hilarious. I'm sorry I wasn't close to you when you were still around. To be fair, I really didn't know any better. I just took sides with whoever had the biggest personality, and it happened to be Mom. But during those 3 months with you in the hospital, I felt like I finally got to know you well. I remember thinking, wow, Dad is actually really witty. He's smart, funny, and kind. I'm sorry I didn't give you the chance to be sweet to me. I'm sorry for all the times I was short to you. For acting annoyed when you asked me to translate something for you. For snapping at you when you cracked a dad joke. Nowadays, I laugh at all the dad jokes I hear. For what it's worth, my heart has softened towards you, and I'm so proud to be your daughter. You were such a respectable, capable, kind, and creative man. Now you're with our Heavenly Father. I'm really grateful you accepted Jesus last minute, by the way. At least now we have eternity to poke fun at each other. I can't wait to give you a hug one day in paradise. I love you, Dad. just released my foundational series of guided meditation videos called The Abundant Life. If you struggle with anxiety, restlessness, or just want to take the next step in your faith and personal growth, I highly recommend signing up. At the beginning of every week, you will receive a 15-minute video that dives deeper than the ones I post here on YouTube. You can sign up at girlandtheword.com/theabundantlife. I'm so excited to go on this journey with you.